this on, I got some zip ties. I got a shoestring I found, old shoestring to make sure it don't go nowhere. And the fake blood. This is the fake blood I'm using. It says washable with water and soap. So I hope it comes off my paint. And this is my Chucky doll I have had. So I'll put him on the front and put some blood on it for Halloween. Zip tied his hands back there so it won't come off on that. And I want to make it look like he's holding it, so it looks like he's holding on to it a little bit. And I zip tied this hand back there. I'm gonna cut the zip ties off in a minute when I finish. But and I'm gonna put one zip tie on his leg, probably this one leg. Then I got the shoestring for extra support behind him. So I'm putting him like this so you can't really see the shoestring. So I just put a zip tie on his foot right there to hold his leg in. I'm gonna let his leg hang free. So it's pretty sturdy. It's not gonna go nowhere. I don't think the zip tie is gonna burn off. So, and the phone keep falling over, so I was gonna do a time lapse, but the phone keep falling over. But I'm just have to show y'all how after everything I do, cause I don't have nobody to hold the phone for me. That's how it came out. I ain't want to put too much, cause it's keep on raining, and I don't know if the rain gonna wash it off. So I just did the front. So if it rain wash it off, I have some more to put on it. Well, I give y'all an update if it come off or not.